morning children. Welcome back to our English class. So here the chapter, the ship of the desert. Yes, in the last video we have read and the explanation has been done of first half of the chapter. Now this is the time to cover up second half of the chapter. So a quick review children, the ship of the desert. So it's a conversation between the king of the forest lion and the ship of the desert camel. So both were explaining or just describing about themselves what the qualities that they are having. So who are you? First of all, so don't you know me? I am the king of the desert. So the lion and the camel they address each other in first paragraph. Okay. Then in the next it has been explained by the camel what are the qualities that this camel is having and why people used to call him the ship of the desert. Yes. Can you walk across a desert? Yes. Now the answer is every animal can do that. I alone can run on sand. I can run on sand at 25 kilometers an hour. How can you do that? Yes. Look at my feet. They are thick and padded. So this way the camel answered to the lion that what is the quality of its feature, उसकी बॉडी में ऐसी कौन सी क्वालिटी दी है गॉड ने जिसकी वजह से या उसके लेग्स में किस तरह की क्वालिटी है दैट ही यूज्ड टू वॉक ऑन द सैंड माइल्स अगो ओके ऑन द बर्निंग सैंड. My feet are padded too, thorns don't prick them and I can run 80 kilometers an hour. Even the lions, they are having the padded feet, okay, and the thick padded feet. That's true, you can run 80 kilometers an hour in the forest, but can you run even a mile on the hot sand? So this is what the difference between the lion and the camel. Camel can run miles on the hot sand. तपती दोपहर में और तपती रेत पर कैमल जो है वो अपने पैरों के सहारे, अपने पैडेड फीट के सहारे बहुत दूर तक चल सकता है या रन कर सकता है. इवन द लायन इज ऑल्सो हैविंग द सेम क्वालिटी बट ही कैन नॉट रन ऑन द बर्निंग सैंड. ओके चिल्ड्रेन. So I can't. Now the next, that the very important thing that the camel explained about himself, that I can't live water for weeks. Even only for the one time there are no rivers or lakes in the desert. वो ये भी बताता है कि मैं जहाँ पर पाया जाता हूँ या जहाँ पर रहता हूँ वहाँ पर कोई रिवर नहीं है, कोई लेक्स नहीं है, बट ये मुझे बिल्कुल भी परेशान नहीं कर सकती. I can drink 200 bottles of water at a time. मैं एक बार में 200 bottles के पानी पी सकता हूँ. So this is all has been explained in the last video. Now let's start the second half of the chapter and you will enjoy the chapter. Hope you all are reading the chapter at home. Reading is a very good exercise children. Keep on reading the exercises and of course the chapters. You will enjoy also the chapter as well as you will go on with the good exercise of reading. Lion. Really? You must have a big stomach. Okay, camel proudly. Yes, I have a big stomach. I can store water for a week. I can store food for 2 weeks even. Okay, when the camel explained that he can drink 200 bottles of water at a time, then it was very surprising for lion. The lion was really shocked. Oh, तुम्हारा पेट इतना बड़ा है, तुम इतना पानी एक साथ पी लेते हो. Then camel was really very proud at that moment. उसको थोड़ा अच्छा लगता है कैमल को, उसे फील होता है, अच्छा प्राउड फील होता है. फिर वो अपने बारे में बताता है. Yes, I can store water for a week. मैं एक हफ्ते के लिए अपनी बॉडी में पानी को स्टोर करके रख सकता हूँ. I can store food for 2 weeks even. Then again he is explaining the quality of his body that he can even store food for 2 weeks. जो खाना भी वो खाता है ना बेटा कैमल, वो भी वो पूरे 2 weeks के लिए स्टोर कर सकता है. Now the lion showing a lot of interest. अब lion को थोड़ा उसकी बातों में इंटरेस्ट आने लगा कि अरे ये क्रीचर, ये एनिमल कितना इंटरेस्टिंग है, कितना यूजफुल है. सी हाउ गुड ही इज. डू यू स्टोर फूड इन योर स्टमक? नाउ द लायन आस्क्ड कि ये जो स्टोरेज सिस्टम है तुम्हारी बॉडी में, तुम अपना ये खाना कहाँ पर स्टोर करते हो? स्टमक में, पेट में स्टोर करते हो? Camel, no, I don't. I store it in my hump. I eat a lot of food at one time. Then I don't need to eat for a fortnight. Okay, children, see how good. No, I don't. I store it in my hump. Now the lion is explaining. Now the camel is explaining to the lion कि ये जो मैं खाना खाता हूँ ना, जब लायन पूछता है कि तुम इतना खाना खा लेते हो एक ही बार, पूरे 2 हफ्ते का खाना, उसे तुम कहाँ स्टोर करते हो? स्टमक में स्टोर करते हो. तो कैमल उसे आंसर करता है कि नो नो नो, वो स्टोरिंग पार्ट जो है, जो स्टोरेज है हमारा बॉडी का, ये जो ये खाना, वो मैं अपने हम्प में. You have seen the, let me show you the body of a camel. See, there is a hump in his body. थोड़ा सा कुछ उभरा हुआ पार्ट, ये जो see in the very first picture you can see a hump. ये जो निकला हुआ पोर्शन होता है ना कैमल का, चिल्ड्रन, इसको हम बोलते हैं hump. उसमें वो खाना पूरे 2 वीक्स का स्टोर कर लेता है. ओके, देन I don't. I store it in my hump. No, no, no. मैं अपने hump में इसको स्टोर कर लेता हूँ. I eat a lot of food at one time. बहुत ढेर सा खाना मैं एक बार खा लेता हूँ, और फिर मैं खाना जो खाता हूँ वो 4th night. Then I don't need to eat for a 4th night. फिर 15 दिन तक मुझे खाना खाने की ज़रूरत. 4th night means the 15 days. मुझे खाना खाने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती. Lion, that's interesting. But what do you eat? ये तो बहुत ही इंटरेस्ट की बात है भाई. और तुम खाते क्या हो? लायन पूछता है. कैमल, आई ईट लीव्स बट देयर आर नो ट्रीज इन डेजर्ट. मुझे पत्तियाँ पसंद है, लीव्स पसंद है, लेकिन कोई भी ट्रीज डेजर्ट में हरे पत्ते नहीं पाए जाते. लायन, व्हाट डू यू ईट देयर? फिर तुम क्या खाते हो? कैमल, देयर आर थॉर्नी बुशेस इन द डेजर्ट. आई ईट द थॉर्न्स. द थॉर्न्स डोंट प्रिक माई thick tongue. Oh my God, see how good the quality has been given to this animal, the body structure, the things, the qualities, that he is amazing, really very amazing, children. Now the next what he explained, जब लायन पूछता है कि what do you eat there, तुम क्या खाते हो, then he explained कि see, डेजर्ट में तो कुछ भी नहीं उगता. नो ग्रीनरी इज देयर, नो ग्रीन प्लांट्स, नो ग्रीन लीव्स आर देयर. सो आई यूज टू, जो वहाँ पर होते हैं, या लाइक कैक्टस होते हैं, या थॉर्नी बुशेस, कांटेदार झाड़ियाँ जिसको हम बोलते हैं बेटा, वो होती हैं, तो मैं उसे आराम से खा लेता हूँ. और क्यों खा पाता हूँ? क्योंकि मेरी जो टंग है, मेरी जो ज़बान है, वो मोटी है, उसकी जो स्किन है वो मोटी होती. तो जब मैं ये कांटेदार झाड़ियाँ या बुशेस या कैक्टस के पौधे खाता हूँ, तो उसके कांटे मेरी टंग को इफ़ेक्ट नहीं करते हैं, बिल्कुल भी नहीं चुभते. लायन, हाउ फनी. मिस्टर किंग ऑफ द फॉरेस्ट, प्लीज़ कम विथ मी टू द डेजर्ट. ओके, लायन उनको कहता है, हाउ फनी. देन द कैमल यूज्ड टू आंसर, ओ राजा, ठीक है तुम जंगल के राजा हो गए, आई अग्री, बट एक बार मेरे साथ डेजर्ट में आके तो देखो. द लिव द लाइफ in desert with me. He's welcoming, he is just inviting this beautiful creature lion, who is the king of the forest or the jungle, to come along with me, to come along with him and survive few days in the desert. Lion, no no no, I would better not. Now the lion saying, no no no, I'm not agreed, I'm not in a form of going there and stay with you. I can't walk on burning sand. ना तो मैं तपती हुई रेत पर चल सकता हूँ. I can't store food and water and I can't eat thorns. ना तो मेरे अंदर कोई स्टोरेज सिस्टम है इस तरह का मेरी बॉडी में, और ना ही मैं कांटे खा सकता हूँ. See how beautiful, very very good answer has been given from the lion कि no, keep your invitation with you. I am happy here. I can't. I am not having the quality of walking on, running on burning sand. I can't eat the thorns. मैं कांटे नहीं खा सकता. Even my body structure is not like that to store food and water. Okay. Goodbye and good luck, Mr. Ship of the Desert. And the last statement that has been given by the lion is, please be happy with you. Goodbye, good luck. You are the ship. No doubt I have understood. Like you are the ship of the desert. You please live your life. Be happy. Now I am going. So this is a very, very interesting and very knowledgeable conversation between a lion and the camel. You can see the cactus and the thorns in this picture, children. The desert area, okay. So this way we come across, or we have discovered, that what the quality that God has given to this very, very useful creature named camel. First of all, he is having the padded paws or the padded feet that gives him, that is not affected by any of the burning of sand. Second, he can store the water and the food inside its body, inside its hump. Third, he can eat the thorns and the bushes, and the thick tongue is not at all affected by eating the thorns. So children, these are all the points that we have come across to the animal camel. Why camel is called the ship of the desert. Hope you all are very much clear with all these points, that why ship is known as the ship of the desert. Now there are few question and answers. We are going to do this in classwork copy. Just go on with this exercise. Now we can do it in a better way. I will send you the answers also. Name the ship of the desert. Yes, this MCQ we can do. Yes, all children can answer. Ship of the desert is lion, crab, tiger or camel. Yes, of course, camel. Name the king of the forest. Yes, king of the forest, crocodile. Not at all. The answer will be lion. The feet of the camel are, yes, thick and padded. There are no rivers or lakes in, yes, you all can answer. No rivers, ना तो पानी है, ना तो नदियाँ हैं, कुछ भी नहीं है. That area is known as deserts. At a time, a camel can drink how many bottles? Yes, you all must have learned 4, 300 or 2. Yes, of course, 200 bottles of water. A camel store its food in its, come on, jaldi. This is the correct answer. So children, hope you enjoyed the chapter. I'll be sending you the PDF of the given exercises. Very, very interesting exercises. See, in this exercise, roaring, frowning, blinking and whistling, you have to make words. Make as many words as you can. So the frowning, this way, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 words are there, and you have to make many of the words like this. Okay, now the next exercise is a very beautiful exercise given. Match the pictures with the words given below. Now the tusk, hoof, beak, feet, mane, fin, whiskers and paw. So you have to write what they call. I'll be sending you the answers, children. You enjoyed the chapter, keep on reading. Just keep on doing the practice of reading, and of course please keep on doing the book work and the copy work that has been sent in by me. This is the video. I'm not sending anything. I'm only sending the helping video of this chapter. In the next video I will provide you the question and answers and the exercises. Okay children, till then be happy and be safe.